Holy all of them are disgusting. Kind of pissed. Oh shit. Mandy, I think you need to figure out this. You know, too many F45 towels down there.
Hello 大家好 ，Welcome back to my channel。咁今日呢條片咧都幾特別嘅，因為我應該係第一次拍呢啲片嘅啫。今日呢條片咧主要就係執房嘅片啦。咁我間房咧依排係好亂啦，亂到一個點啦。其實諗住係等阿 Surya 嚟之前整靚間房，等佢嚟就會覺得好整齊啦。但係我諗下冇用啦，其實點執都好都會係亂嘅咯，對佢嚟講。所以我就特登整到佢好亂，咁就要佢幫我執。佢好中意執房，同埋佢好叻執房。咁我想俾個 challenge 佢，睇下佢可唔可以幫我整靚翻我間房嘅。喺開始之前咧，我俾大家睇下我間房嘅狀況係點先啦。
Hello, I heard you need my services. Let's look at the situation here. Okay. Oh my god. It's as bad as they've told me. Maybe even worse. Holy This is terrible.
This is art. Do you see the color pattern?
No, you must be blind. We have a lot of work to do here.
See the photo? You're there. Every pictures.
That we can work with. The rest, we need to change. Everything. We'll be back in a few hours, guys. We have to... I don't know. Transform it.
話說其實我袋真係一啲都唔多咯，但係問題係我袋入邊有勁多垃圾咯，有紙巾啊、糖紙啊、有 con 啊、contact lens 啲盒啊，有埋真係唔知點解會有咁多垃圾咯。其實大家咪同我一樣都有好多垃圾喺個袋度。
Bring all this. So what? Keep it clean. More coins. There's coins in every pocket in your bag. Welcome to your bag. It's an ecosystem. You have more bags.
Yeah, I'm a lady. I have more bags.
All of them are disgusting.
Then
I've already gone through two.
Then get me a new bag.
It's not about the bag. It's about you and how you take care of the bags.
So you get me new bags so I can take.
I don't think so. You'll go back into the same state.
I will change.
I will change.
Nope, you
If
won't.
you get me new bags.
One eternity later.
Kind of pissed. Oh shit. Yeah,
So next we're gonna do the water.
Okay. Basically, I need you to whatever you think you don't want immediately goes into the donation bag.
I don't want.
Except underwear. Can you get another bag for underwear? Underwear, socks, and stuff you cannot give to. You cannot donate. Gym clothes. Yeah. Okay. Casual clothes. Okay. Casual clothes bottom. Okay. Then this is work clothes top. Work clothes bottom.
So far progress.
Let's go on. Let's continue. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Done. Sort of. Still a bit left to go.
Okay, after 1.5 days, we finally transformed my room into a very nice, acceptable room. So let me hand this over to our agent Surya.
What's up? Give me a second, just finishing final touches. Okay. Finally, Maggie's room is in acceptable condition. As you see, the bed is in an acceptable condition. The table, if you remember, used to be a massive mess. It's now nice. It's a good condition. We move on to the top here, and it's finally in an acceptable state where she used to have a huge mess. Now she's got, actually the books that she's actually planning to read. She's got some.
Are you read?
She's actually read these. That's good. I have no idea why she threw away the books she has read. She hasn't read them. Here we've got some of her curling iron, some of her soft toys. And then down here we've got some of her supplements, we've got a massage gun, and then snacks so that it's like reachable whenever she needs it. Here we just organized this. This is one of the last things we did. She's got like, cables and whatnot. And then she's got some things like, her passport, some pictures and everything. This is the most transformed part of the house, definitely. At the top we've got Mandy, I think you need to figure out this. Too many F45 towels down there, and she's got her gym bags. These are tops, formal tops. You come down here, these are more the casual wear. These are her long pants as well. These are the skirts and the shorts. These are gym tops. These are her sports bras.
Very first section.
This is her gym shorts, right? Or is it leggings? That's the leggings and shorts. Shorts and leggings. She used to stuff all her bags all in one spot here, just simply stuff them on. These are the two bags she uses the most often, that's why we've left them there. Here are the bags she uses less often, and then so she's put them here, in some handbag. Here's again, very transformed in this section of the house. We've got her perfumes as well as her facial care and then cosmetics. I've got hairbands finally put in one spot where she's not throwing them all over the place. She's got earrings here as well for other earrings. These are the two earrings she got from me as well as all the other earrings in one spot. Here are her hair clips, her bracelets as well as the necklace she uses. Here we've got the Apple Watch straps, her Daniel Wellington watch as well as her Fitbit. And a couple of rings there.
Wedding ring?
No wedding ring, just normal rings. And I think here she's got like some God related stuff. I wonder why this is there. Maybe we could put that somewhere else. These are things she, other supplies she might use. These are
cleanser.
yes, to clean her under. And I think we did what I think is the best possible job for in this house. These are just the last few things that we have to figure out where it goes. But we're all good. And I'd like to call that a job done. See you next time.
而家呢個係 Surya 走咗之後嘅衣櫃狀況，係咪變返 art 啦？